What's up, you guys? It's Tom Sue coming back at you again with another YouTube video, and today I'm making soft pumpkin cookies. So the first thing we gotta do, we got our pumpkin, we've got to slice it in half. Let's try one of these. Hey. So now we gotta take out like all the seeds and stuff. Put them on a baking sheet. Lightly season with salt. So I'm gonna just do one half down and one half up. So roasting the pumpkins, I need to get rid of these seeds, I guess. Or I'll put them in a bag because it said you could roast the seeds apparently. So I'm gonna put those in a bag. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. It's 6 in the morning, school starts at 9. And I'm going to do some chores, get everything ready for school because I'm probably not gonna have time for school after I finish these. The good thing is the actual baking of the cookies doesn't take that long, so I'm gonna just try to rely on that.
Take these rules, bring it back there, so now. When he makes a pumpkin, if you ain't talked to we got it. But it goes in.
Well, I don't have some sports today. With the teacher? This is what it turned out like. Okay, so I realized I literally didn't talk the entire video, so I'm gonna explain what I did. So after I cut up the pumpkin, I put it on a baking sheet and roasted it for like 45 minutes. And then I peeled the skin off and blended it up so it was a puree. And then once I got the puree done, I started the actual cookies. So I started off with butter, then I added sugar and brown sugar, I think. Yeah, sugar and brown sugar. Then mix those up. Let me just get the recipe. There's also a glaze, but I just don't feel like making that right now, so I'm not going to. And then the pumpkin puree, and then vanilla, and 1 egg, and then all the dry ingredients. So that was a lot of stuff. That was like flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, and nutmeg and allspice and ginger. So that was a lot of dry ingredients. And then once I mixed those together, I was done. I think I got what it looked like on video. But anyways, now I'm gonna taste it. What I expected, what I came for, these are really good. And I live by that. So now I'm gonna have a bagel, and I'm gonna have those with some vanilla ice cream, and then I gotta get ready for school. Hey y'all, so it's editing Thomas now. It's like the next day or something. And yeah, I never really filmed an outro, but I got another cookie to eat during the outro. Can you see it? So basically I kind of messed up because I think I left them in for about the right time. But then once I took them out, I like let them cool for only like 5 minutes, and then I put them in a bag. So like that made them all like really mushy, and they were already on the soft side. So I wouldn't say they're batter. They're holding their shape, but they're pretty like mushy and sticky. So next time I'm gonna probably leave them in for a bit longer and then let them cool for a lot longer. That's all I have to say. Thank you guys for watching till the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.